I choose to pursue my passion, which is business, because that's really my dream, that you work yourself, you do something that you're passionate about, and then you earn from it. Yes, because being independent, of course, if you follow your want and they don't want to support you, and your parents will say that, why we going to support you? There, we don't want to. And I'm not that type of person who to fight what I want, and I'm the type of person that if I want to get what I want and get there, are still many challenges. That does mean that you're chasing after your dream is all goods. I'm also against pursuing it, because there is a time when you burn out, because there is always a part of yourself that gets tired. Of course, you don't always work hard. I'm also against pursuing it, because there is a time when you burn out, because there is always part of yourself gets tired. Of course, don't always work hard. Your passion to do this always on fire. Maybe there is a reason for that, because there are parts that are expensive. For example, if you just keep on business to pay your bill, there are problems with the food. You have a business but you don't contribute to the house. It also costs your relationship with the people around you, and not just money but time or commitment. For me, no, because it depends on the person. There is a way for everything. As long as you take action and don't give up on your dream, if you really want it, you will achieve it. When you say passion, it's a long term, because it's not tomorrow.